441. This is just a regular balcony on deck 8. Let's see, we have some closet space here with our life jackets and hangers. Another closet with more hangers and, oh, that's our shoes. Somebody left it there. And some shelves. This is probably the safe. Yep. Just your drawers, nothing fancy. This should be the fridge. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we got some waters. I ordered those. I ordered some sodas. They already got them there. Here's a little tip. We got a nice little, what was this, Febreze, I think it was. Yeah, it's just a little air freshener for the room because it's very musty, especially in the hallway, like really, really mildewy, musty. But, hey. We got our couch. I think that's a pull-out. I'm not really sure. And king bed. And our little decor. And like I said, I already showed the balcony, but there are 2 chairs, table, and nice little view for now. Oh, there's the barbecue right there, and I can smell it. That's perfect. Yeah, our friends are in the next 2 cabins here, so we need to get those dividers open. We'll get that done sometime today. But yeah, so that's just a quick tour, just your standard balcony on Carnival. Not bad. Bathroom's occupied though, so I'll show that, but I'll put that in. But yeah, so yeah. Just our bathroom here, our nice pretty sink here, and our shower. Pretty nice. Everything looks pretty clean. Yeah. There you go, and that's it. That's your balcony on the Carnival Breeze.